Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Grab the opportunity to own this 6-bedroom, 4-bathroom house. It has floor space of approximately 4,700 square feet. It comes with income earners in a well-regarded area, Lynmar Drive off Wesley Avenue, Mandeville, and which gives you a sense of stability and security. The main area of the house offers a generously sized 3-bedroom, 2 bathrooms, living, dining, and kitchen, among other areas. There are 2 income earners attached to this house, a 2-bedroom self-contained flat and a 1-bedroom self-contained flat. There are 2 main gate entrances, and the land size is close to half an acre. The house has a brand new roof and ceilings. The central location, as expected, comes with all the amenities for comfortable living, including proximity to healthcare facilities and the Mandeville Town Center. Don't let this opportunity slip by you. Make your appointment to view today. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 59.5 million or US $386.5 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.